Hello everyone, I'm Akhil and I'm here to present Dojima Network, a cross-chain interoperability protocol that enables interactions between Arweave and other chains. These are very exciting times for the Arweave ecosystem. The number of applications built on Arweave is booming and there are a lot of profit-sharing tokens being issued right now. But these are still early days and some of the popular DeFi use cases that we see on other chains aren't available for Arweave yet. For example, you can't yet directly exchange PSTs for tokens in other chains like USDT or ETH. You also can't use your PSTs as collateral in DeFi lending applications like Compound or Aave. Even interactions with DeFi applications are not yet possible with PSTs. By enabling cross-chain interactions, the Dojima network allows for any PST to be directly exchanged with tokens from other chains, which will be very helpful for the adoption efforts of any Arweave-based projects, as users will now be able to easily get hold of PST tokens needed to interact with PST applications. To make things more awesome, we also created an EVM-based buffer zone with bridges to all major chains, where novel DeFi applications can be built around PSTs, further increasing their appeal and use. Let's see a simple example of how this all works. If you're a PST holder and want to exchange PSTs to USDT, the first thing you need to do is connect your Arconnect and MetaMask wallets to Dojima Network. Next, you'll specify how many PSTs you want to exchange. Our deposit contract will take the PST amount from your balance and then mint the same amount over in the buffer chain, and the PSTs will appear on your MetaMask wallet. You can now connect your MetaMask to any decentralized exchange and use it to get USDT. And you'll follow the same easy procedure if you want to use your PSTs on lending platforms like Aave, with derivative services like Synthetics, or with DEXs like SushiSwap. And here is how it looks in practice. I'm connecting my Arconnect. You can see the connected wallet address at the top. If you observe the sender and receiver fields, the sender address is connected to Arweave testnet, and the receiver address is connected to Dojima testnet. I've already connected my MetaMask wallet, and you can see my PST balance there is 0. Now, let's take some PST tokens from Arweave testnet over to Dojima testnet. Let's take 100. You can see that these are now minted in our testnet. And now, they'll be available in my MetaMask wallet. Now, let's swap those PSTs with USDT using a DEX. For this example, we've configured the price of one PST to be equal to one USDT. When I click on swap, you can see below the swap is being conducted. Let's give it a little time. Yeah, and once completed, there's a success message on the bottom left. If you now go to my MetaMask wallet, you can see my PST balance there is 0 and my USDT balance is 99.1. And to confirm, let's go to our own block explorer to see the top 3 transactions we have conducted. And you can see them there, the top 3 transactions all successfully conducted. Until now, cross-chain interoperability infrastructure is mainly enabled between EVM-based chains, but Dojima's architecture allows us to bridge to any blockchain infrastructure. For this, we rely on 2 types of tokens. One is Dojima token called Doj, and the other is the bridge token specific to the chain, in this case, for the Arweave bridge. Dojima Network is powered by proof-of-stake-based decentralized group of validators. The Doj token powers all transactions on Dojima Network. Doj is also the staking token for running a validator node. And we've set the current validator limit on the system as 100 validators. So this is about the cross-chain infrastructure we've built. Now, when it comes to our bridge, which is the bridging layer between Arweave ecosystem and Dojima Network, its governance need to be taken care from parent chain, which is Arweave. So we are creating a PST named ARP to control bridge parameters, as well as handling whitelisting of PST tokens for cross-chain transfer. The ARP token supply will be capped at 10 million tokens, and the fees collected from our bridge users will be distributed among ARP token holders. So this is what's next on our roadmap. In Q3, we managed to build the Arweave and the EVM bridge, so the buffer chain synchronizes with Arweave's network. We also grew our team from 2 to 5 members. So in Q4, we will launch the testnet with bridges to all major chains. And Q1 of next year will be all about releasing and integrating third-party tooling to simplify cross-chain deployment. Finally, in Q2 of 2022, the testnet phase will be complete, and we'll focus solely on successful mainnet launch and quick adoption by onboarding dApps and cross-chain protocols to Dojima. Coming to the team, Bhagat and I are the founders of Dojima Network. I've been a blockchain developer for the last 2 years and worked on robust tech projects in the field of AI before that. Bhagat has been a full stack developer with over 4 years of experience in Fortune 500 IT. And we have a strong tech team covering the whole spectrum of technologies. We're working super hard to launch the testnet. So if you want to keep up to date, make sure you follow us on Twitter. Even better, sign up to be a beta tester and participate in future airdrops and bounties. Thank you for your attention, and come chat with us in the Mingle area. Thank you. Thanks, everyone.